So alright students, let us quickly get over through this video, and today's topic is we are going through notation of chessboard and its pieces. As a chess player, it's very important to know the notations, as it will enable you to analyze game and record your games for future purpose. Many players don't remember this notation, they just play on. So they miss an important part of their life, like they didn't analyze their game, and hence they lack the ability to improve. So let's quickly get through this. Let's quickly get over through this. So basically, each square in the chessboard is represented by its own location, which is specific to its own. Like no other square will have the same name like that. So basically, let's begin with the columns and rows. So basically, each column, or we say each row first. So basically, each row is represented by a rank name. Like this is rank 1, this is rank 2, this is rank 3, and so on till rank 8. And similarly, each column in the chessboard is represented by an English alphabet, or I can say small English alphabet, which is A, B, C, D till H. And the important thing to note here is that it is like a grid system. This is alphabet in alphabetical order, and this is in numerical order. So if you have to find the location of this square, then you will say like it's on the C file and 7th rank. Oh, by the way, a column is known as a file, and row is called as a rank. So basically this square is a C file and 7th rank, so will be termed as C7. Also you have to note one thing, like whenever you represent the position of a square, then the C is capital and the capital C is used for representing the position. You can skip this part, this is not that important. Also you have to make sure you practice a lot. It's not that tough, but yeah, initially it seems like a bit troublesome. You have to practice like what is this square, this is A5, what is this square, this is G3, what is this square, this is E8, and then what is this square, this is C3, and so on. So having said that, there are a few more topics. This is just the basic, like how to represent a square and all that system. I'll make a separate video on how to represent each piece, and how to how it moves and attacks, and notation for all that. But till then, you should master this must, and this is a basic for that only. If you can master this, you can quickly go through over that. Okay, so yeah, let's finish this video with this. So yeah, till then, see ya.